Today we are going to repair windshield, and I bought the kit, Permatex windshield repair kit. Napa has them in Advanced Auto Parts. It's $18 plus taxes. So let's see what's included in kit. All right, so we have instructions, how to apply, and now we have another bag, and I'm going to show you what we got here. So we got syringe, we got a cup, we have the compound, we have a razor blade, we have alcohol cleaner, and then we have this plastic cover that we're supposed to apply on the end of our procedure, and then that's adhesive tape that we glue this cup into the windshield, and the Sharpie is to scrape any glass that left over in the crack. All right, so here's the crack. I'm gonna try to focus. That's the one that we are going to repair today. All right, before we do anything, we need to clean the area with the alcohol pad. So I'm gonna take that off, try to clean it. Flip it on the other side. Now we're gonna let it sit and let the alcohol to evaporate. Then we're gonna take this little pin and try to scrape it and fish some small chips that left over. Scrape that off. Then we are going to glue this adhesive tape, facing with this tongue up like that, and then it's a double tape on both sides, and then we're gonna peel another side. So one side we're gonna glue to the glass, another side we're gonna glue to the plastic cup. We're gonna glue plastic cup on the top of it. Now I'm gonna try to scrape it. If anything left over here. Any chips. I'm probably gonna have to wipe it up, wipe it again. Yeah, I'm gonna wipe it out again because there might be some chips left over there. Alright, I'm gonna try to go with this piece over here. Alright, so we're just gonna try to press it with a finger and move it around so it can stick good. Alright, so after that we're gonna peel the other side off. We're gonna use this cup. Want to make sure this side that goes against the tape is not greasy, so I didn't touch it with my fingers, so I would imagine it does not have any grease. Alright, so we're gonna glue this part. Alright, after that we are going to break this adhesive tip and put about 3/4 of this stuff into this cap. I guess I'm gonna try to cut it more because it doesn't want to flow. Alright, I'm gonna try again. Well, I guess it's telling me it's full. Yeah, it's showing it's full. Okay, then we're gonna take this syringe, and there is a little lock right here, so we're gonna be pulling plunger and locking on this second notch right here, just like that. So I'm going to insert the syringe here. Alright, and now we're going to pull and lock it. Alright, so now we're going to let it sit like that for 10 minutes. Then we'll go back after that, and we will proceed to the next step. Alright, after 10 minutes has passed, what we're going to do is we're going to hold this cover with the fingers, and we're going to gently take the syringe off, allowing the air to get in the syringe, and then we're going to wipe this tip off since it has some adhesive stuff, and we're going to insert it back all the way to the end. And next step, what we're going to do is, so we're going to release this latch, and we're going to press plunger towards the second lock, and we're going to lock it. And we're going to let it sit like that for 20 minutes. After that, we're going to come back and take that off and proceed to the next step. Right, after 20 minutes passed, so we're going to try to take that off. Alright. Now we're going to try to peel this off. Carefully. gonna use some razor blade to get that off. Oop. There's some residue. Alright. Alright, so now try to take this glue off. Okay. Okay, so now what we're going to do is use this pad. I'm gonna apply a little bit of stuff in the crack. Then I'm gonna apply this cover, and then we're gonna try to spread any bubbles with a razor blade. Alright, and we're gonna let it sit like that for another 20 minutes. And we're gonna, yeah, there's some bubbles here. And after that, we're gonna peel that off, scrape the leftover residue, and that's it. Okay, the last step, we taking this plastic off. Try to get that off. Right. And then some leftover residue. We're gonna scrape it off. That's it. This is what it looks like after repair. It's hard to focus, but it didn't do the 100% job, but I would say 90% job is done.